Guys, we're at 25% fuel. It's time to get gas. And the gas right now costs $4.39 for premium. Oh, that's a hard ass whip. That shit's hard.
You do it on TikTok? Wait, you the one that has that S550?
Yeah, you watch my videos?
Oh yes.
Actually, that's fire, bro. We're at 95%, so I think it should be good to go. You said what? Nothing. Oh yeah, actually, I think I do. You said you need a wrench? Like this?
Man, I want a car like that. That's a big body.
You can just hold on to it, actually. I got a bunch of extra ones.
Alright, thanks.
Alright, of course. Alright, boys, we back. We back. I know. Got him like you say you do. Wanna be like him like you say you do. You don't wanna cherish him like you say you do. You don't wanna marry him like you. And I know you want them kids like you say you do. And you don't deserve to have no pain like you say you do. And if you ever gave me your heart, I wanna marry you. And I don't think he getting sexual like you say you do. And I don't think you pay for your lifestyle like you say you do. I put my tongue on your mouth. See my feelings if I won't walk around like I'm bulletproof. Why he going through your phone? From the bottom, now we're here.
Like my first life experience, touch a trip, you follow with it. Sister on the day for the first time.
First off.
Used to talk to you before you had that, made me a little soft. I still call my mom like a little baby, but I'm a big dog. 150 million when I'm 55, and that shit big, y'all. I grew my dreads back, my head back. 20 M's, I had that. Run up on them, head tap, head lap, fence tap. Alexander McQueen, scarf for the head wrap, head traps. Uploaded your gun, that shit on fed apps. Used to serve my uncle, my
Look, bro, since shots out through your car, he think he's Stephen Rex. I'm going buying the chain, cost cool. I bought 5 for
crowd of cannon, crowd of ooze, spin that bitch like DJ. I don't be a min no crime, say my name's on balls, the men they die. I'm too trench, you can claim that body, I'm never.
Mad Max. What's the next song though?
Touch a trip, you ballin' with it. When trial coming, ain't your phone to be your
Homie though.
He on the stand with his head down like he don't know me though. It ain't no point in getting no lawyer if your homie told. He with you on them late nights and them fast cars and them ski masks. If you mad, then I'm mad, then he mad, then he glad. Incredible witness got every code to my keypad. Couldn't hold it down, a nigga jump right off the deep end. I'm having
Federal nightmares.
Switched over fake beef, had to cut ties after charge, you can't fake me. You can see the pain up in my eyes, lost in KC. Running in my city, going wild where niggas hate me. They shove on Winston, we got the same park. Behind them gates, niggas tough like a dog when it bark. Come to my block, 40 shots, they put chalk where he walk. If you put yourself in my shoes, probably fall when you walk. Hey look, all my friends is dead or they fighting murder cases. Sometimes I sit back and thinking like how the fuck I make it change. Swinging 40 gun bust if a pussy try to take it. I swear this music seeing me can't picture being basic. I lost my nigga, I think it get cold. Remember, it was dragging stove, we'll go and get it out the hole. I go with Drizzy truck, we drop shots like it's cold, but that's back then. In the fast lane, always see me in the bad bitch. So niggas know shit ain't gonna play. Catch another day, brought the choppers to the stage. I feel like catching the great. I can catch another case, toss the blick and do the race. Cheesy trade, chasing chili bugs, and that's every day. Dragon saves, dodging jakes, free my niggas out the cage. Hitting gates, and my babes get the bag and get away. Said you had it on your waist, between blow it, that's a waste. She could be my bitch if she make the right amount. Marcus V sitting in the cuts finna top it off. I've been up and down the road trying to get paid. I'm ballin' like I'm on the playground up in 5th grade. My bitch did sent a couple bands since her 5th day. I can't fuck with no broke bitch, ain't got shit straight. I'm trying to put on for my gang and go rack the riches. Seem like all the broke hoes the saddest bitches. We gon' kill everybody, can't ask the witness. Don't ask where I'm at, bitch, I'm in the trenches. Get off the net and stop pillow talking to the bitches. Niggas nerds, I don't hang around with the snitches. Get off the net and stop pillow talking to the bitches. Niggas nerds, I don't hang around with the snitches. In the car with Chucky, 2 in advance. Hey, that little bitch is playing, she flew to Japan. Me and Prince back to back, gotta let them know. While the ops lacking at the spot, had to up and go. I just love niggas getting fans, everybody know.
Oh yeah. Oh shit. Alright, slow down. So y'all hear the burbles and the back pops? Sound pretty good. Where should I get gas? Alright boys, we're about to get some gas. Oh shit. Oh, that shit about to... we good. Alright, cool. I don't know how I always end up on the same pump. Right here. Alright guys, we're at 25% fuel. It's time to get gas. Let's see how much it costs. We're at $5 premium. We're at $8. And the gas right now costs $4.39 for premium. Oh, that's a hard ass whip. Let's see how much it goes. That's hard, bro.
Are you filming on TikTok?
Yeah, I'm filming a POV driving video.
Oh shit.
Yeah, and I'm gonna edit it and post it on YouTube and TikTok.
Wait, you the one that has that S550?
Yeah, you watch my videos?
Oh yeah,
Actually, that's fire, bro.
shit, that was sick, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, it's fire, bro.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. That guy watches my videos, bro. What the hell? We're at 95%. So I think we should be good to go. You saw what? Nothing. Oh yeah, actually, I think I do. You say you need a wrench? Like this?
Man, I want a car like that. That's a big body.
Yeah, it's an S550. You can just hold on to it, actually. I got a bunch of extra ones.
All right, thanks.
All right, of course.